Windy today in Kentville, Canada. Please subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you. Let's go for a small walk on Dale Street, Kentville. Yes, I live in this yellow house at 27 Canaan Avenue, Kentville, Apartment B, upstairs, Nova Scotia, Canada. I'd like to wish everybody a Merry Little Christmas this year and a Happy New Year in 2022. Well, we're almost on Dale Street. Dale Street is next to Canaan Avenue, Kentville. This is Dale Street. Please sum up the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel today, tomorrow, and next week. All's quiet on Canaan Avenue, Kentville today, and Dale Street, Kentville. This is Dale Street. There's not much to see. Please give Dennis Ramsay a thumbs up in his video, shall you? I'd like to wish everybody a Merry Little Christmas this year and a Happy New Year. Know what I mean? Please subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you. Have yourself a Merry Little Christmas this year and a Happy New Year in 2022. Know what I mean? Sound of the crows. Crows are God's creatures also. They're very vocal today in Kentville. Little spin around. Please sub up the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel today, tomorrow, and next week. I could use 10 million subscribers, please. World famous Kentville folk artist Dennis Ramsay will gladly do your $1 million paintings. Give me a phone call, 902-365-5044, Kentville, Nova Scotia, Canada. All's quiet on Dale Street, Kentville. Yes, I live in the yellow house down here, folks. Right here, upstairs in Apartment B. To request your $1 million paintings from me, Dennis Ramsay, give me a phone call, 902-365-5044. No job. Nice day in Kentville, a little bit cool, but the biggest problem, it's awful windy. Like I say, the wind almost blew the tablet out of my hands a couple times. Just to give you a change of scenery, from me, Dennis Ramsay. Remember, stop at 27 Canaan Avenue, Kentville, Apartment B, yellow house, white trim, and request your $1 million paintings from me, Dennis Ramsay. You also can call me 902-365-5044. No jive. Please sub up the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel today, tomorrow, and next week. Thank you very much. Have a merry little Christmas and a happy new year in 2022. Bye for now, folks. Have a nice day.